We've developed a solution designed to provide proactive management of your ACA compliance strategy across your entire workforce. It provides employers the tools to effectively manage regular and variable hour employees and benefit compliance along with applicable reporting. It's literally ACA compliance made easy. Today we're going to take a look at the reporting capabilities from our ACA module. These reports will help us manage our employees to make sure that we are in compliance with government guidelines. The system will track the employee's part-time or full-time status, if an affordable plan is available, and if a minimum value plan is being offered. Here on the dashboard, I have created a custom menu to easily access my ACA reports. The first report that we're going to look at today is the Employee ACA Report. This report displays all of the employees who have been assigned an ACA profile, allowing you to recalculate, clear, or import historical data. An ACA timeline can be added to each employee's record to review their ACA history, so let's take a quick look. There are two windows that can be brought into the employee's record that I would like to focus on today. The first is the ACA Summary window. This is showing a summary view of the rules contained within the employee's ACA profile. Rules such as their current ACA status, their current measurement period end date, and their current measurement period average hours worked per month will be displayed here. Information around status changes, benefit plans, and compliance alerts can be flagged here as well. Now let's take a look at the ACA timeline for this employee. The system is tracking the total number of hours worked per month for each employee. These hours can be automatically pulled from the employee's timesheets or from their pay statements. Hours could also be imported or manually edited if needed. The system will look to the total number of hours worked each month to determine whether the employee is considered to be full-time or part-time. As you can see, we can keep track of the different measurement periods, which is configurable based on your ACA strategy. There are also rules built into the system to determine if the employee is being offered an affordable plan or offered a minimum value plan. And the system will alert us through a compliance alert if there are any compliance issues. For example, a notification will trigger if an employee is considered to be full-time, but we are not offering them an affordable plan. Notifications can also be triggered to alert us of a possible change in status, such as an employee who is approaching ACA full-time status, or if an employee is possibly going to downgrade to part-time status. This is important when it comes to managing your employees more efficiently. And finally, at year-end, the 1094 and 1095 forms will be populated with the information collected here on the ACA timeline. The next report that I want to take a look at today is the ACA Data Detailed Report. This report will allow you to pull ACA data across all company employees. As you can see, every row from the timeline becomes a column within this report. You can use this report to filter for certain criteria, such as checking for compliance. Basically, the system will be looking at the employee's status and determine if they are considered full-time. Then they will need to have an affordable plan available and a minimum value plan being offered in order to be in compliance. You can also change the date range. For example, you could filter this report for last quarter, and then group the report by the employee name, which will show you how each employee stands for the quarter. So as you can see, there's a lot of flexibility here. Then we do have the ability to save this report in this format, and we also have the ability to export this if needed. The last report that I want to look at today is the ACA Data Summary Report. This report is showing more of a global perspective. It summarizes all of the employees together by date range, and then you can drill down into any one of these fields by clicking on the different hyperlinks here. So if you wanted to see who's approaching ACA full-time status, you can drill into those fields, and this will help you better manage your employees. You will want to keep tabs on who's approaching full-time status or who is close to a possible downgrade to part-time status so that you can manage your employees' time more efficiently. This tool will help notify you of any possible status changes so that you can manage your ACA strategy more effectively. When it comes to year end, we have you covered. The 1094 and 1095 forms are built here within the system and can also be populated based on the information that was provided on the ACA timeline. These forms can be filled out electronically and made available to the employees through their employee self-service portal. As you can see, the ACA Manager will help you stay in compliance with ACA guidelines and be proactive in the management of your ACA strategy. Thank you for your time, and please contact us today for more information.